Okay, here we are with my 1977 Glastron CVX-20 that I've just finished restoring, and took me several years. I don't know to tell you how many, but it turned out quite well. Got a Berkeley jet drive, JE12 or JE12E, something like that, and place diverter, as you can see on the back. Took a lot of pride in the paint job we did. Good friend of mine, Rich, and Dave. It's fun to drive. Naturally, everybody wants to see it. Big old 460 Ford. Still got to paint those silver. A big old 460 Ford Police Interceptor. I did a little bit of work to it. It was all ready. Okay, you'll get another one later.